Today I'm going to share with you some tools that's going to massively help you when it comes to your weight loss journey. And these are not just tools, they are more like secret ingredients when it comes to losing weight. The best part is that they are simple, effective, and easy to use. And the even cooler part is that they're completely free. Who doesn't like free, right? Now, when it comes to losing weight, the very first thing we think of is to exercise. And exercising is good. But when it comes to losing weight, you need to think more than exercise. Think about it this way. If you have to build a building. You won't just stack up bricks. You will also need other materials. You will require cement, you'll require iron rods, you will require a blueprint. So losing weight is exactly like that. You can't just expect to exercise and lose all the weight because you'll also need everything around it to work for you. And exercising is just one aspect of it, but if you want to lose weight, you have to understand something more important, and that is calories. To make it simple, the more calories you consume, you gain weight, and the less calories you consume, you lose weight. But now the big question is that how do you know how many calories do you require? Because your body type is very different from my body type, and my body type is very different from my neighbor's body type. I have no neighbor. How do you know exactly how many calories do you require for your body type? To understand that, let's go to tool number 1. This tool, what I'm going to show you, is going to calculate your BMR. For those who don't know what BMR is basal metabolic rate. It is the energy that you burn by doing nothing. And I'm serious, doing nothing. And think about it this way, that if you are sitting in front of a TV and you're watching Netflix and chilling, you are not doing much. You are just sitting there and watching television. But at that point, your body is doing quite a lot. It is transporting nutrients to different parts of the body. It might be digesting your lunch, and also your brain is right now active because it's trying to understand what you're watching. All these functions require energy, and that energy is what you burn the most in a day. So if you think that you burn a lot more in exercise, well, you don't. Doing these basic functions to just keep you alive is where you burn the most amount of energy, and that is what we need to figure out first. So let's go to this. All you need to do is there is a link in the description of the first tool, and you need to just click on it and it will open to this web page. And you can see right here, you can see this web page. All you need to do is fill in your details. Like you can see, male, so I'm going to put my age and I'm going to put my current weight as it stands. If you don't know how active you are, you can go even further below and check that. Do you work out a little more than 20 minutes? You don't work out at all? You work out 20 to 45 minutes or much intensively? For me, I work out around, I think 20 to 45 minutes. So this is what I'm going to choose. So I'm going to choose this. And now all I'm going to do is click on calculate. Now here is where the magic happens. Now what you see on screen pretty much shows you your basal metabolic rate, which you can see right here. Like my basal metabolic rate is 1722 calories, and I'm sure you have a similar amount, or you will have it very different from mine. Now that is the amount of energy you burn by literally doing nothing. Basically just sitting at home and being alive. So you can just be on a couch like a couch potato and do nothing, and that is the amount of calories approximately you will burn per day. Now what is important is the next thing. You can see this 2927 calories. This is the amount of calories that if I consume every day, considering that I'm doing the similar workout, I will maintain my weight at 74. But if I consume more calories than this is where I will gain weight. And if I want to lose weight, of course, I need to consume at least 300 to 500 lesser calories than this amount. And if you want to know exactly how many calories you require to lose weight, you can just scroll down and it shows you right here. Now for me, it is 2427 calories per day, and you will also have an amount that shows you on your screen. And if you consume that every day for a consistent period of time, you will start to see weight loss. Now the big question is that, okay, I know that this is the amount of calories that I require to lose weight. But how do I count them? There has to be a method to count because I can't sit and count them, right? So that brings me to my tool number 2. All you need to do is to download this app, which is called MyFitnessPal. What I want you to do is, very first, is to go on the button that you see there which says more. So go on that, and then you can see goals. So click on goals. You can see right down it says calorie, carbs, proteins, fat goals, calories, the section of calories. And all I want you to do is whatever number which shows the amount of calories required for you to lose weight, just type in those amount of calories there, and you can see the tick sign. You just click tick. Now once you go back, just click on the diary button, which is your main diary, and all you need to do is you need to just start stacking up food here. This is the amazing part, okay? So you know that these are the amount of calories that you can consume to lose weight. Now here is where you'll start counting calories. So this is the app and I'm going to show you how this is done. So right now you can see exactly how it looks like. All you need to do is click on add food. Now I'm going to have oats for breakfast. So I'm just going to type oats. I'll click on search. Now because I'm having instant oats and cooked, I can see an option here which says 1 cup. Yes, I'm having 1 cup. In case you're having 2 cups of it, you can see the option here in number of servings, just put 2 cups. And with that, I'm going to have coffee. So I'm just going to add food. I'm going to type here coffee. And since I like black coffee, so I'm going to have black coffee. I'm just going to have a single cup. So I'm just going to click on a tick mark here and just going to go back. So you can see here I've added instant oats and coffee and it shows me that these are the amount of calories I've consumed and this is how much I have remaining for the day. Now what you need to do is try to add all these food items for the very next day rather than eating the food and then adding the items. The reason I would say is prepare it first is so that you know what exactly you're going to eat the next day and you will not eat anything and you will not just munch or snack on any crappy food. So this will give you a sense of direction and it will also help you understand how many calories do you have to consume per day. What is really cool about this app is that you can even type Indian foods, like if I like dal or bhindi or anything, I can type that down and it has a vast database, so it will show me some of the other option, which if you feel you're not finding the exact option, you can choose the one that is closest to. So feel free to use this app and try to make really good choices when you're eating. So if you see right here, I've already filled up everything. I've added my chapati, I've added my lunch and bhindi aloo and everything that I've added. I also have added water and how much water I'm having per day. And I still have these many calories left. Try to make sure that you go to the calories almost close to zero, but nothing beyond that. Now, since you know what your BMR is, what is the amount of calories you require to maintain your weight, and what is the amount of calories you also require when it comes to losing weight, and you also know how to now calculate these calories, then comes the next part, which is exercise. Now, I'm going to show you the next tool for exercise. Do any kind of workout that you can stick to. Because the more you stick to your workout and the more you like your workout, you will stay more consistent with it. And that is what we want, more consistency. My suggestion would be do a mix of cardio and strength training. I think they will be ideal for you because you need your muscles to be activated and you also need your heart to keep pumping. So try and mix cardio and strength training. And for those who don't like going to the gym or who like going to the gym but don't really know what to do, you can go to the description and click the next link and it will take you here. This is another tool which is called Muscle Wiki. Sounds like Wiki like my friend. Very bad joke. Very bad. So all you do is, it's very simple to use. You just click if you're male or female. And if you want to learn any kind of exercise, you can just click on the body part. All I'm going to do is click on chest and then maybe if I want to figure out barbell workouts, I will click on barbell. It will show me different barbell workouts. If I want only dumbbells, since I don't have a bar, I can choose dumbbell workouts, and if I don't have anything and I just want to do body weight, I can just choose body weight workouts. So it is going to show you everything. It will also show you stretches of those muscles, and it will also show you if you have bands at home or you have kettlebells. It will also show you exercises with that. You can go to the next link which is also there, which is right here, and this is super cool because they have programs itself. So I'm going to click on one of the programs. This looks very difficult, so I'm trying to go and click on it. Not like I can do it for now. And look at this. This is a 28-day program and it's going to tell you every day what to do. And it shows me all the way to 28 days. So you can just choose whichever program you want and just start working out. This is in case you don't like to do the regular things like running or walking or, just basic gym workout. This can just spice up your workouts. And if you have a fitness watch, just wear it and go for it because your fitness watch is going to help you track those calories for the kind of workout you're doing. So if you're doing workouts like swimming or badminton, they are both separately going to burn very different amount of calories. So the best thing is a fitness watch will help you track them down. If you don't have a fitness watch, it's okay, but I would suggest that you purchase one so it doesn't need to really be expensive. You can get it from the lowest range to the highest range just to track your calories, and you can add those calories back into the MyFitnessPal app. So all you can do is just add everything in one app and you can keep tracking this down throughout. And the last tool that I'm going to share with you is something that we all have, and it is our beautiful little brain. And the reason why I say this is because the weight that you've gained has happened over time and not overnight. So give yourself time also to lose that weight. So try to be more consistent for a longer period of time, and trust me, you will achieve your weight loss. And if you found this video helpful, comment below and let me know what are your thoughts on it. Till then, don't stress and be awesome. Roshan.